Did you know at Distributor we have the capability to demonstrate and train you on Microsoft Teams Room solutions? Our team can run training sessions both virtually or in person here at our state-of-the-art facility in Kurnell, Sydney. Come along and have a look.
Understanding which product is best for a specific meeting space is fundamental in giving your customer a great experience. At Distributor, we have a range of Teams Room solutions that we can demonstrate to you in person from many leading certified manufacturers, including Logitech, Poly, Neat, HP, Jabra, Crestron, and more. Get hands-on with the technology and discover best practice capabilities that enable you to sell the right solutions. If you're not based in Sydney, we offer a virtual training experience where you're able to dial in and talk directly with one of our expert trainers. The key benefit in this scenario is being able to experience the technology just as your customers would. As an added benefit, where required, we can leverage the technical capabilities of our vendor partners for additional support on training calls.
If you're interested in learning more about which Microsoft Teams Room solution is best for your customers, please contact our Distributor team today.